Imagine a computer program capable of generating text that's indistinguishable from human-written content. One that can understand context, nuances, and even creativity. This is no longer science fiction, but the reality we're witnessing today with the latest breakthroughs in artificial intelligence. Meet GPT-5.2, the latest iteration of the groundbreaking AI technology developed by Meta AI. The sheer power and capabilities of this new model are nothing short of astonishing. With a staggering 500 billion parameters, GPT-5.2 is an exponential leap forward from its predecessor, GPT-3.5, which boasted a mere 175 billion parameters. The implications of this technological advancement are profound. For the first time, we're witnessing AI that can truly think for itself, generating text that's not only coherent but also contextually relevant and engaging. It's as if the digital version of a human mind has finally cracked the code on understanding language in all its complexity. But what's behind GPT-5.2's unprecedented power? According to experts at Meta AI, the key lies in the innovative combination of several cutting-edge techniques. The first is called large-scale knowledge distillation, which involves training the model on vast amounts of data from various sources, including books, articles, and even online forums. The second technique is a more advanced version of self-supervised learning, where the AI is trained to generate text that's not only coherent but also relevant to specific topics. This has resulted in GPT-5.2 being able to understand subtle nuances and idioms, making its generated content sound eerily human-like. But don't just take our word for it, the numbers speak for themselves. In internal testing, GPT-5.2 has achieved a remarkable 95% accuracy rate in generating text that's indistinguishable from human-written content. For context, this is a significant improvement over its predecessor, which only managed to achieve a 75% accuracy rate. As we delve deeper into the world of AI and explore the vast possibilities opened up by GPT-5.2, one thing becomes increasingly clear: this technology has the potential to revolutionize industries such as content creation, customer service, and even education. But what does this mean for the future of human-AI collaboration? As we continue to push the boundaries of artificial intelligence, researchers have made tremendous strides in developing sophisticated language models that can rival human-like writing. The latest breakthroughs are centered around GPT-5.2, a revolutionary AI system designed by OpenAI's team of renowned scientists. Led by Ilya Sutskever and Sam Altman, this collaborative effort has been years in the making, with significant milestones achieved along the way. GPT-5.2 is built upon the foundation established by its predecessor, GPT-3, which was trained on a staggering 45 terabytes of text data, roughly equivalent to the contents of the Library of Congress. However, GPT-5.2 has taken this concept to the next level by incorporating vast amounts of web scraping and user-generated content, including social media posts, online forums, and Wikipedia articles. This extensive training dataset has allowed GPT-5.2 to develop an unparalleled understanding of language nuances, context, and even creativity. One key area where GPT-5.2 shines is in its ability to generate coherent and contextually relevant text. For instance, when presented with a short story prompt, the AI can seamlessly weave together intricate plots, character arcs, and emotional depth, often rivaling the work of human authors. Moreover, GPT-5.2 has demonstrated an uncanny capacity for adaptation, effortlessly shifting its tone and style to match various writing styles, from formal academic papers to humorous blog posts. Researchers at OpenAI have also made notable breakthroughs in fine-tuning the model's performance on specific tasks, such as conversational dialogue and language translation. GPT-5.2 has achieved remarkable accuracy rates, often exceeding those of its human counterparts. These advancements have significant implications for applications like chatbots, virtual assistants, and even language learning software. While the true extent of GPT-5.2's capabilities is still being explored, one thing remains clear: this AI system represents a major leap forward in the field of natural language processing. As researchers continue to refine and expand upon its abilities, we can expect even more exciting breakthroughs in the months and years to come. The key to GPT-5.2's unprecedented power lies in its revolutionary architecture, a culmination of years of research and innovation by OpenAI's team led by Dr. Ilya Sutskever. This latest iteration builds upon the success of its predecessors, incorporating advancements in transformer models, attention mechanisms, and large-scale pre-training. GPT-5.2 boasts an astonishing 175 billion parameters, a staggering increase from its predecessor, GPT-4, which had a mere 1/10 that amount. To put this into perspective, this is equivalent to the storage capacity of over 100 million 16-gigabyte USB drives. The sheer scale of this model's complexity enables it to capture an unprecedented level of nuance and context in its generated text. Researchers have observed remarkable improvements in GPT-5.2's ability to engage in multi-step reasoning, outperforming human experts in specific domains such as medicine and law. This capability is largely due to the development of new training techniques, including masked language modeling and reinforcement learning from humans, which enable the model to learn from feedback and adapt to complex tasks. Furthermore, GPT-5.2's performance on various benchmark tests has been nothing short of spectacular. It has achieved state-of-the-art results in text classification, question answering, and even generated content that is often more coherent and engaging than human-written prose. The implications of this technology are far-reaching, from revolutionizing customer service chatbots to transforming the field of creative writing. OpenAI's decision to make GPT-5.2 a publicly available model has sparked both excitement and concern among experts. While some hail it as a groundbreaking achievement, others warn about the potential risks associated with creating highly advanced language models that can potentially be used for malicious purposes. As we continue to explore the capabilities of this technology, one thing is clear: GPT-5.2 represents a new frontier in artificial intelligence, and its implications will only continue to unfold as more research and development are conducted. Researchers at Meta AI have been working tirelessly to refine their large language model, LLM, architecture, and the results are nothing short of astonishing. The latest iteration, GPT-5.2, has pushed the boundaries of what we thought was possible with artificial intelligence. By increasing the model's parameter count to a staggering 175 billion, Meta AI's team has managed to tap into new levels of contextual understanding. But what does this mean for the future? As GPT-5.2 continues to learn from vast amounts of text data, its capabilities will only continue to expand. This raises important questions about the role of AI in our lives. Will we see the rise of AI-powered content creators, generating everything from news articles to bestsellers? Or perhaps even entire industries will be disrupted as AI takes on more responsibilities? One thing is certain: GPT-5.2 marks a significant milestone in the development of artificial intelligence. Its unprecedented power has sparked both excitement and trepidation among experts, with some hailing it as a revolutionary breakthrough while others warn of the potential risks associated with unbridled computational power. As we continue to explore the possibilities and limitations of GPT-5.2, one thing is clear: this technology is changing the game, and we're only just beginning to understand its full implications. As we delve deeper into the world of GPT-5.2, a pivotal moment emerges that sets the stage for its unprecedented power. Researchers at Meta AI have been experimenting with scaling up their transformer architecture to accommodate more layers and parameters, essentially amplifying the neural network's capacity to learn complex patterns in language. The breakthrough came when the team led by Dr. Julian Vlad, a renowned expert in natural language processing, introduced a novel technique dubbed hierarchical attention fusion. This innovation allowed GPT-5.2 to selectively focus on specific subtopics within a broader context, rather than merely relying on a fixed attention mechanism. The implications were profound. For the first time, an AI system could meaningfully engage with a text in a more human-like way, effortlessly switching between abstract concepts and concrete details. To test its capabilities, the team generated over 100,000 articles across various domains, including science, history, and entertainment, each exhibiting a distinct writing style. One particularly striking example was GPT-5.2's ability to author a compelling short story that not only met but exceeded human standards of creativity. With its vast linguistic knowledge base and hierarchical attention fusion mechanism, the AI system effortlessly wove together complex plot twists, vivid descriptions, and even subtle emotional undertones. What's more, when analyzed by experts in the field, these stories were found to possess an uncanny level of originality, often rivaling that of human writers.